Hi, it's Alex Biggs from Drum Bass Studios. I'm going to take you through the difference between using a camera slider along as opposed to the software where you pan across. Let's get into it. So what I've done is basically got my drum books. I've written a load of drum books. These are just a few of them, and I want to do a little product shoot and I want to slide the camera across to see and show them off at their best. And then I'm going to use the software that I normally do, which is just a pan, and see the difference between the two. With the slider, the camera obviously follows the product as it goes, as opposed to the software which just goes to the side. So we'll see what the results are. So let's get into it. Well, I thought I'd show you my first effort with the slider. These are my drum books, or some of them, and what I've tried to do is set the slider on a slight angle, and I'm just putting it on a slight tilt so that it goes from side to side. So what I'll do is do this and then show you how I used to do it with just software, and then we'll see the difference, see what looks more professional. I've set the A to B on the slider so it doesn't go all the way. That's the good thing, I think, of having the 100cm slider. It means that it gives you more flexibility. So as you can see, this is the camera going up and down the slider. Super quiet, super smooth, and it took a little while to try and get the lighting right because these books are really reflective, and I've had to tilt them back, and I wanted to raise them off the table a bit. And you can see it's working really smoothly. So I could set my camcorder like that, or take a photo and do it that way. But if you try and slide it yourself, it just doesn't work. So the slider just makes it that much smoother. And then if you see the software, it just, I don't think it looks as good. But anyway, if you want to buy my drum books, or you know any drummers, the link's down below. You can get them from Amazon. They're awesome books. It took me ages to write them, and I teach from them, and everyone does really well with them. I know it's a bit of a plug. So anyway, well, there you go. It's up to you guys, I guess, to make your mind up whether you think the slider is a bit better than the pan of the software. I think I know what I chose. Obviously, I'm a bit biased because I just blew a load of money on a slider, but I definitely think the slider works better. I'm really happy with it. It seems to be doing what I wanted it to do, and that's just on a product shoot as opposed to my drum videos, which I'll be doing. So don't forget to subscribe. But I hope this video helped you and made you maybe decide what you want to do. Again, Neewer seems pretty good, really quiet, really smooth, just a little bit slow, but other than that, a really good slider. And it definitely, I think, makes the shots look a bit more professional, and that's really what I was going for. See you in the next one. Take care.